This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche 911 hood when the battery is dead. First, locate the fuse box, typically found in the driver's footwell. Inside, you will find a special emergency power terminal. This terminal is designed to accept an external power source, allowing you to temporarily energize the system. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the front trunk. To proceed, you will need a 12-volt power source, such as a portable jump starter or another vehicle's battery. Connect the positive lead from your power source to the emergency terminal you just located. Then, find a suitable grounding point on the chassis for the negative lead, like a door hinge or striker. This connection provides the temporary power needed to activate the hood release mechanism. With the external power now connected, the electrical system of your Porsche 911 will be temporarily active. You can now press the interior hood release button, usually located near the driver's door or dashboard. The front hood should then pop open, granting you access to the front trunk area. This step is the key to resolving your dead battery issue. Once the hood is open, you will find the main battery located in the front trunk of your Porsche 911. You can now proceed to charge or replace the main battery as needed. Remember to disconnect the external power source from the emergency terminal and chassis point once the hood is securely open. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.